Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be sharing a super fun and easy to follow tutorial with you for my Christmas tree animation. Maybe some of you have already seen it on my social media. And yes, we are going to create a stunning light animation on that Christmas tree. First of all, you have to create your own Christmas tree before you start following along with this tutorial. I already have my own one, which created with my effortless flower brushes. You can go to the link below for more information if you're interested in my effortless flower brush set. I've also shared the steps briefly on how to create this amazing Christmas tree like I did, and even provided some free brushes for you. Just visit my homepage on Instagram at freya.arts, give me a follow, so you won't miss out on any of the new tutorials. Click on the links to access the free Procreate tutorial page. You'll find more free tutorials and brushes there. Click on the Effortless Christmas Tree tutorial. And don't forget to download the free Glitter Gel multicolored brush, which we'll use in this video. All right, here is my Christmas tree. You can see that it has many layers that separate the leaves in the front and back. Additionally, I've added shadows to each layer to create a sense of depth. And next, I'll keep the very top leaf layer as the foreground. Then group all the layers below as the background. And I'll use the Glitter Gel multicolored brush to draw a guideline for ribbon animation. A tip to select the color for this brush correctly. Start by choosing a secondary color to white and then choose the primary color as you desire. Create a new layer in the background group and draw a ribbon spiraling around the Christmas tree. After that, I'll reduce the opacity of the layer to around 20%. It's time to turn on an animation assist. Go to Actions, then Canvas, and tap to turn it on. Then set the first frame to background and the last frame to foreground. Adjust the onion skin frames to the maximum and onion skin opacity to 50%. To animate the ribbon, add a frame and trace the path of the ribbon from the bottom using the same glitter gel brush. As you draw each ribbon segment, try to overlap the path to create a smooth and continuous movement. Repeat the process until finished tracing the ribbon line. It's okay to have a lot of frames. To give it a touch of magic, you'll notice that I've added dots at the end of the line. Don't forget to turn off the guideline you traced earlier. At the end of the ribbon, I'll add some additional frames to place a star on top, using my brush Pollen 4 from the Effortless Flower Brush set. Now, I'm really happy with this. Lastly, I'll add a few more frames and gradually decrease the size of the stars until they disappear. And try using the glitter gel brush to add some sparkling effects like small bursts of star. And after that, I would love to add some lovely glowing dots that twinkle around the tree. It's quite simple and adds a touch of elegance, don't you think? The brush I use is the Light Pen from the Luminance brush set. Draw dots in each frame, starting from the first frame until the frame where the star appears. Make them overlap in some areas with different sizes to create a twinkling effect. When the star disappears, kindly remove the dots in the bottom areas, frame by frame. Lastly, I'll add several frames to create the effect of the shiny dots slowly moving down around the tree. Play to see the result. You can adjust your frame rate here and set it to loop. And that's it. You've got yourself a unique Christmas tree with an exciting lighting animation. Isn't it fun and easy? It's a simple way to create frame-by-frame animation that I'm sure you can use to create even more complex ones in the future. I also put in a lot of effort to ensure this final result looks great and is easy for you to follow. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my Freya's Effortless Flower Brush Set. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.